fuck? Nope. Let's see. What went wrong? The 5 minute made a week. Horrible price except the 1 minute. Then dollars protected by massive gap. Hard negative RR. Stop is a little bit. Alright, let's see. Oh. Don't force a 5 minute fill type of trade. We were still at the bottom of the range. For me it was being distracted. Right, alright. So yeah, little bit of looking back on my things to not to do, so I can reflect. Today is Thursday. There were unemployment claims. That's me. Yeah, no news other than that, and it already happened. We're here. Unemployment news. Oh, so we have a data low. Crazy. Let's go over the draws. Now I think this is not that bad of a low to target. Yeah, I think this is a solid draw. Fuck me. I really believe this is a solid draw. I don't know about the data lows, if we will get anything smooth there. And then there's, I believe, London high and previous day high. So pretty simple. If I just look at that. Okay, what I'm thinking, we possibly go to this 1 hour gap, and then we either disrespect it and go up, or just go down from it, or we simply just go down and take those lows. But yeah, that's pretty much it. We're still in this range. We will need to have confirmation that we are out of this range. Once we break out either up or down as a candle closure, maybe on the 1 minute, it does not have to be instantly on the 5 minute. It depends on the situation, but I just need to break out of there, then I can look for something. And for longs, I need to be careful of these gaps protecting these highs, so we need to see some sort of disrespect of those gaps in order to go up. And yeah, but to go down, honestly, we could just dump almost instantly there, but we still need to have confirmation of going down here. It is really not that probable that we do something like this to data loss, but if we do, I'm gonna take it. But I'll be more likely to want something like this. But yeah, we can know. Let's look at ES. How different does ES look? Alright, we have, wait, what? I don't have a magnet. Same low. We are closer to the low on ES. We have already been on this 1 hour gap on ES, so possibly we could just go down immediately at market open to there. But yeah, we're expecting this 15-minute gap kind of in a range, so same thing. Like range over here, we need to get out of this range. Oh shit, man. And also data lows, so these data lows are very close to it. on NQ, if I take a trade lower here, it needs to be confirmed that we are going again more down to the draw, because we can just take this, what is it, data low, and just ignore the draw lower and just switch up from there. So we need to have some sort of confirmation of that happening. But yeah. Alright, I'm gonna pause until market opens and something happens. But yeah. Market opened.
The 5-minute closure is low-key cooked. Not taking. We took now the data low. But yeah, let's see if something else happens.
Alright, so ES took both of the draws, but yeah, looking kind of cooked. This is rejecting it. If after this we get a really good bearish candle after this candle, it could be a trade like this. But now it's giving like a reaction out of this, so I don't know if I should take it. Alright, I'm not taking it. Maybe next candle. Alright, so around 12 micros. Possibly going to enter. Let's see how it closes. Alright, I'm not taking it. Maybe next candle. Okay, 5 minute looking low key cooked. Alright, we are not taking it.
honestly, it takes only one trade to fuck up the whole thing. It takes only one day to crash out.
Yeah, I don't know. Right, it's blue. Yeah. Hmm. Ah.
I do not know what to say. Anyways, I kind of feel ashamed uploading this. But all that I did here was my own fault. I am not coping that if or just because of that I wanted to do that and that's why I took the trade. No, it was a shit trade. I didn't even FOMO in. I think just that I was already in drawdown and one trade left from uh, blowing the eval. I was already kind of like not so confident of even doing it, and I believe if my whole account balance was at 0 today before it started, I wouldn't have even wanted to take a trade here. It all is my fault. All of it was my fault, what I did. It was my own fault. And only I can choose how to react. My first funded, I low-key I don't know. If I just had it from the start, only taken the A+, then I probably would have already been in a better position. But yeah, losses do happen, but these are dumb losses. These should not happen, so I'ma get off, do stuff, and just continue going and trying to not do dumb stuff ever again. And I believe this trade, it has nothing to do with how good am I on charts and on being profitable, like on taking the good trades. This was not a good trade at all, and I kind of knew it. When I entered, I believe I just wanted to get over the account. I think that was in my mind. I wasn't even. I just wanted to get out of the account that was in like half drawdown, was on the minus side. It is all my own fault. I have to start over again, but I hope when I start over again I actually like don't do dumb stuff. I have nothing to say. I just have to reflect on what I did. I will do that more later, but yeah.